Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.2 trillion. We are seeing the markets up 0.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC Dominance is currently sitting at 37.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board over the past 7 days, and that's exactly what we want to be seeing in the markets occur. We are finally starting to see some sort of bullish momentum occur within the markets. If you are looking at the 7 days, majority of the altcoins are up double digits, and that's exactly what we like seeing, obviously after having quite a bit of a red across the board over the last 1 month and a half. And that's something nice for us to see. But again, we're still not out of the woods just yet. We still need to be monitoring the Bitcoin price on a daily basis because Bitcoin still needs to hit specific price levels for us to really get excited. But so far, so good. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that we love on this channel, and that is none other than Polygon MATIC. Alright, my MATIC family, if we are looking at the MATIC's price right now, we are currently sitting at $2.34. We are down 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative and also at 0.1% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Polygon MATIC's ranking in the cryptocurrency market is still holding very, very strong at that top 14 spot. So that's something definitely we love seeing. Market cap right now is $16 billion and the 24-hour trading volume is $746.8 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, if you guys don't know, MATIC was one of the best performing assets over the last 1 year, and still, as of recording this video, we are still up 6,800% in just the last 1 year alone. And we cannot be forgetting that part when we are looking at the prices for MATIC. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff: the price, what's happening, and where are we going in the immediate short term. So, as I have said in the earlier in this video, that MATIC is currently trading at $2.33.6, and as you guys can see right now, we're back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. MATIC has been holding very, very strongly during this dip, even after the Bitcoin price dropped. We have seen obviously MATIC react with the Bitcoin price, but it has held very, very strongly compared to other altcoins that are in the cryptocurrency markets, and that is a bullish indicator as to how strong the overall momentum really is. If you want to really see if you really want to see the strength of an altcoin along with the power of the community, best time to check that out is when markets dip, especially Bitcoin, and when dips are quite large. What we saw just over the past couple weeks and honestly over a month and a half, we have seen Bitcoin being volatile, and we have seen a dip quite a bit, and the altcoins that have held quite strongly and have outpaced and recovered way faster are the ones that you need to keep an eye out on, and MATIC without a doubt is one of them. And again, is this coming as a surprise to Crypto ZX? Absolutely not. I have been talking about MATIC on my channel before, guys. It was even I'm sorry about that, before it was even a penny. And as I have mentioned on my channel for quite a while, I personally wish I held to my MATIC that I had since its initial Binance IEO. I've been holding MATIC, I was holding MATIC at that time, but guess what, guys? I lost patience. And what did I do? I sold majority of my holdings. And do I regret that? I regret that every single day. So this should be learning lesson for every one of you guys, especially the ones coming into the markets right now. Guys, patience is your number one best friend that you can have in this market. As long as you have done your due diligence research and have invested what you can afford to lose, then patience is your number one key. Just use me as an example. If I held MATIC, all my holdings until now, without having paper hands, just wanting instant gains. Even though I've been in these markets for quite a while, but everyone has these kind of thoughts, and we all want to be driving Lambos the next day, but patience is the one that rewards you. And I know some good friends of mine in this crypto space that I've made over the past couple of years, and I know some that got in the same time as me during the Binance IEO when MATIC came out on Binance, and picked up some MATIC back then, and they are driving Lambo. So you guys know who you are. Congrats. And but I just like showing you guys this so you guys get a better picture as to what needs to be done in the markets. Obviously, everyone wants to be driving Lambos the next day. We want to see 100x overnight, but that's just not the reality that happens. But if we are looking at the prices right now, guys, MATIC is holding very, very strong. If you picked up some MATIC around here, guys, that might have been the sweet spot to be dollar cost averaging in MATIC. Excuse me, guys, please ignore my cough. But if we are bringing out the measuring tool, guys, we hit an all-time high on December 27th. So like 3.5 weeks ago, we hit an all-time high, and since then we did see MATIC drop about 35% from its all-time high. And that was a nice dip. I believe if Bitcoin never saw that correction, we might have never seen this kind of move happen for the price of MATIC. But you guys can see we only dipped within the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, but we have seen a beautiful bounce back towards the upside since we saw the price wick all the way down to $1.97. And you guys can see we saw a 21% move towards the upside since this initial dip that we saw at $1.91. And right now, guys, you guys can see this level of resistance around that $2.45 is playing out for the price of MATIC. As you guys can see, MATIC has touched this level of resistance 2 times. It has touched this 2 times, and it is having a hard time breaking out of here. But I do expect us to explode out of this zone in the next coming hours. Maybe after I record this video and upload it, maybe we are already above this zone because we do need more buying pressure kicking in around here, and I do see that organically happening. We are seeing Bitcoin making some strides right now as well, and that's obviously something we need to keep in mind. You guys can see Bitcoin created a double bottom over the past couple weeks when we saw this initial break below towards the $46,200 support line, and we saw us go back down and create a double bottom. But right now, you guys can see we are trying to see Bitcoin break out of this level of resistance at that $43,500 mark. And if this really pushes the Bitcoin price above that $46,000 once again, we could see MATIC get back into above this level of resistance and possibly even start following towards newer all-time highs. Because if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys can see MATIC is away 21% from all-time highs. And is that possible for us to see a MATIC all-time high before this month ends? Absolutely. Definitely not out of the woods just yet. We could see a $3 plus MATIC at the end of this month, as long as we are able to break out of this range. And you were already hanging around in the all-time high territory, so that's something we should not be ignoring. The 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, I treat this as all-time high territories, and I could see us breaking out anytime, but we do need to keep a very close eye on the price of Bitcoin. If we do have a rejection at either even above here, as you guys can see, the 0.50, we saw Bitcoin price go above that point, to that 0.50, try to break out into the 38.2, but you guys can see rejection. And if we're able to break out of here and revisit this resistance level at that $46,200 mark, great. If we see a rejection, then you guys know what the drill is. But we will see what happens. But I'm not getting excited until we break out of our confirmation at that $52,000 mark. And obviously BTC dominance has declined as well, so that could play a favor for altcoins right now. We still need to be below, as you guys can see, we need to be below, to be exact, 39.73% BTC dominance. Wait, what is it? I'm sorry, 39 point. Whoa! Whoa! This is news to me. So are we currently trading at, the lowest levels we have? Wow, this is something very interesting to be. Wow, I missed this, guys. So you guys can see we did see a spike in the BTC dominance over the past, couple weeks as Bitcoin had a price drop in it. Obviously Bitcoin dominance increases, but right now we're sitting at lower levels of BTC dominance since May 19th, guys. This is something that we should not be ignoring. Wait, I'm sorry. Wait, something is not making any sense to me right now. I'm sorry. I take that back. So we did see on January 4th the lowest level since May 19th for the BTC dominance. And then we did see a spike up towards the upside in BTC dominance. So, like I said, I did make a video around here. I did say altcoin, season could come in full effect. A lot of analysts were calling that to happen around then too. But Bitcoin decided to say, what, let's try to go back towards the downside. So obviously that did play, an effect on the overall markets. But yeah, guys, we are heading to some lower levels in BTC dominance. And obviously that does indicate that altcoins could outpace overall markets and outpace Bitcoin, and we could see that happen. But we will see. We'll keep a close eye on this, and this is very interesting. And you should not be ignoring the BTC Dominance Index as well. So what does that mean for MATIC? As I have mentioned, I am expecting a breakout towards the upside, but right now I need MATIC to break out of that $2.45 resistance level, and then we're off to the races. And I am projecting $3.50 to $4 MATIC very, very soon. Maybe in the month of February, would not be out of the woods just yet. But if we are looking at the staking rewards, as you guys can see, Polygon MATIC is a proof of stake consensus. So if you are holding quite a bit of MATIC network and you don't care about the short-term gains, or you don't care about the volatility because you believe the long-term perspective in the next coming years, Polygon is way bigger than where it's at now, guys, then staking is your number one key to do, guys. 31.3% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. We are seeing this impact the overall price of MATIC, because as I have mentioned earlier, when the price of MATIC drops, it does get bought back up way quicker, and that is obviously because supply and demand factor is playing in right now. When there is quite a bit of demand and the supply is low, because 31.3% is not even available to be purchased, what happens? We do see the price shoot up, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now with MATIC. And I think we're only going to continue to see this get bigger and bigger as time goes by. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see MATIC go at the end of Q1. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the absolute world for me. And also, guys, follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Message me on there. Interact with me. I would love to talk to you guys. I'm trying to reach 1,000 Twitter followers. And if I'm able to reach 1,000 Twitter followers before the end of February, then guess what? I will give away $100 to one lucky winner. So what are you waiting for? Follow me on Twitter and let's get the Twitter interactions going. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you all, each and every one of you guys. You guys mean the world to me, and your support means the absolute world for me. I love you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.